Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Paint 3D and loading the photo you will edit. Make a duplicate file immediately so you keep the original. Once the image is open, enable Canvas from the top bar and toggle Transparent Canvas on. This lets you replace the background. Next, select the Magic Select tool and draw a loose box around your subject. Refine the selection using Add or Remove so the subject outline snaps accurately. Make sure edges look natural before you click Done. With your subject roughly isolated, zoom in and refine. Use the Add and Remove brushes to capture hair, fingers, and fine details. Do this at about 200% zoom for precision. Once the selection is accurate, use the selection's refinement tools to smooth or feather the edge slightly so it blends. After that, click Done and either cut or copy the subject to a new layer or to the clipboard. This separation is key because it allows you to place the subject over any new background cleanly. Now paste your subject onto a new background or import the image you want as the background and position it behind the subject layer. Use resize and rotate to match proportions and the eraser tool at low hardness to fix small edge artifacts. Make sure lighting and color tones match by using canvas effects or adjusting opacity. Once satisfied, save as PNG to preserve transparency or export as JPG if flattening. If you see halos or jagged edges, rerun Magic Select with finer adjustments and slightly increase feathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.